Hey guys, this is the Art Occultist. My name is Elisa and I'm a tarot reader and a deck creator. And for today's video, we are in a little bit of a different location. We are outside, so excuse the noise if there's any. And I'm here today to present you my newest deck, the Nature's Call Tarot. It's available to order on my Make Playing Cards store. The link will be down below. Now, I received this yesterday and I was really impatient, so I opened it by myself. And yeah, so I want to share it with you today. It comes in a standard plain white tug box, and it's a standard tarot size deck. So yeah, I'll show you cards one by one. This is the title card, the Nature's Call Tarot. This is where you can find, sorry about that, information about myself, the copyright and the brand. Those are the backs. And this is the other title card, and let me read it for you. This deck was inspired by Animal Wise Tarot by Ted Andrews, and sadly the deck is long out of print and unavailable to most people. I wanted it for years and finally I decided to do something similar for myself, and now I want to share this project with you. I hope you enjoy it as much as I did creating it. And I also recommend working with Ted Andrews' books Animal Speak and Animal Wise, as well as The Spirit of Herbs, a guide to the herbal tarot by Michelle Tierra, alongside this deck. And why? And this is because on the cards, as you'll see in a moment, I've incorporated the animal associations from the Animal Wise Tarot, as well as the herbal associations from the Herbal Tarot, which is available by US Games, but I didn't like the artwork in this deck, so while I was doing this, the Nature's Call Tarot, which was initially inspired by the Animal Wise Tarot, I decided to add the herbal associations from this other tarot deck, the Herbal Tarot by US Games, because I already had the guidebook for that deck and I really enjoyed that book. The cards are not in order because I've been playing with them, but I'll show them to you one by one. So let's see how this is going to go. And I've renamed the suits and I'm using elemental association. So air is 4 swords, and on each card there is a picture of a bird or of a plant, but beneath the picture there is the animal association, and second is the plant association for each card. This deck, I've intended it to be used as a tarot deck, as well as you can use it as an oracle deck with those books that I mentioned. So this is going to be a silent flip through, so let's begin. I love how that Temperance card turned out. And all of the images that I've used are stock free images with no copyright on them. So stock photos or whatever you call that. Five of Earth with mugwort and mouse. I'm sorry about the noise. I'm currently in a apartment which is in a kind of a complex, family complex, and there are a lot of people around me. But anyway, I was eager to show you my creation. Dove and Vervain for 6 of Air. I love Vervain. Crocodile for the Queen of Fire. And I was really inspired by Ted Andrews' tarot deck and the aesthetic of it, as well as the animal associations. And for ages I've been wanting to work with that deck, but I wasn't able to find it. So finally I decided to try and create something similar for myself with his associations on the cards. And I already possessed his 2 books, so yeah, I thought that it will be quite a fun thing to do, and I'm eager to start working with this deck to get to know its personality and see what happens. This rabbit is so cute. So we're almost at the end, guys. And the deck is printed on a standard MPC cardstock, so it's good, it's very easy to shuffle, and it's durable. I love this picture. The magpie and this chameleon, it's so cute. Whole grains for the Ace of Earth, and last we have 4 of Earth with badger and cascara bark. And once again, the backs, we have this beautiful picture of sage. And yeah, so thank you guys for being here with me, for listening, and for watching this flip through and review of the Nature's Code Tarot. And please, if you're interested, check my store. And yeah, this deck was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun creating it, and I really enjoyed the whole process. And yeah, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.